Hey, Brian Young, Pro Tinker Toys, Brian Young, ProTinkersToys.com. We already did one. Don't forget to like and subscribe us and to share so that people watch my videos more, so they can get educated about slot cars and toys and just whatever we have. All right, now this is the Barnyard series. It's basically Auto World item number SC345. And there are 6 cars in the series. 4 of them are the barn find. Now, and then 2 of them are the graveyard cars in the barn find. So there's totally of 6 cars. This is the Impala. All right, so the video we're doing is this 1959 Chevy Impala. This is number 2. We already did the one which was the 1970 Dodge Challenger. So this is the Chevy Impala, 1959 Chevy Impala. And these are all the Ultra G Thunderjets. My favorite chassis is the Thunderjet Ultra G, which has the higher powered magnet right here. I know it says neodymium traction magnet. It's a high-tech name for a high-powered magnet, basically. Okay, so we're just going to stick it on here and show you just basically that's how it goes, okay? And so that's the chassis, okay, for these cars. All right, you get 6 different cars, all right? And this is the 1959 Chevy Impala. Basically, it's a barn find. Like if you'd find it in a barn, it hasn't been taken care of, but the engine probably is in great shape, but the body stinks, all right? And so they've got rust and everything. Just a great addition to your collection. These are just fun cars to drive. Again, you know, driving around and everything, really making a cool diorama on your layout. So this is the 1959 Chevy Impala.